Alrighty, hey guys, so I'm back from the gym. Now I'm going to show you my daily routine that I do at night. And today I'll be using the 4-in-1 cleanser, the microdermabrasion, the pore minimizer, the under eye cream, as well as the night cream. I'll also be showing you about the oil-free eye makeup remover, as well as we will go over the satin lips set. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take off my jewelry because I really don't want to be pulling this out of my nose when I'm washing it. That's going to hurt. So after I take off my jewelry, I'm going to get my hair out of the way. So you see the makeup I have on today, a very heavy eye makeup on and a big old forehead. So this is the Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. It is the 375 milliliter fluid ounces bottle. And I use this every time I take off heavy makeup. It will take off waterproof mascara and eyeliner. And it won't leave any oily residue or anything like that. So I already shook it up a little bit, but you need to shake it up really well before you use it. So you can shake it up really well, and then it'll look very cloudy. And then we're going to take our cotton makeup pads, and you're just going to squirt some on there. I put a little bit too much because I put a lot of eye makeup on. So I'm gonna put a little bit more on. Now I'm just gonna rest this on my eye and rub gently. Harper, are you listening to mommy and watching? And there. Took off all that makeup in pretty much one swipe. So I'll turn it over and just get the rest. And before I had this, I usually would scrub and scrub and scrub with baby wipes and stuff to get it off. But now I don't have to. And it's off. So I went from this to this. Doesn't leave an oily residue. Now we're going to do another one here for the other side. Now you want to try and not get any of this in your eye. I just lay there for a minute and then slowly move back and forth. Do not scrub. Just slowly move back and forth. And it will get everything off. So we can turn it over. And I was wearing two of our Mary Kay waterproof. I was wearing waterproof foundation. It's been a long day. I was wearing waterproof mascara and eyeliner. So as you can see, got it all clear. There's no oily residue. Now the oil-free makeup remover is $17. You can get it on my website. This has lasted me about 6 months, and I'm already down to the very bottom. You don't need a lot. I use a lot just to make sure I get all the eye makeup and everything off, because I put sometimes in heavy with all of that, with the eyeshadow, the eyeliner, and the mascara. So next we are going to do the 4-in-1 cleanser that we went over last week. I also have one of our brushes that rotates. We have another brush now that vibrates. This I like to use for the cleanser. I don't use it for the microdermabrasion because that is too abrasive to your skin. You just want to use your hands for the microdermabrasion, so I will show that. So I'm going to turn on the water. Okay. Then we're just going to put a little bit around the brush here. Put the water on there. I'm just going to go all over my face. Now this is over foundation, concealer, all kinds of powder and stuff. So what I usually like to do, if I'm going to do it straight over my makeup, I usually make like 2 passes over my face. Oh, brown. So let me turn the water on. Okay, so I'm just going to get a little bit more because I did it on my makeup here. So I'm just going to go through, get all over my face. I even go through my jawline, my chin. Yeah. Okay, so let me rinse my face off. Alright, let me rinse my face off and then I'll be right back up with some air. Alrighty. Let me dry my face off here. You saying hi, Harper?
Hi.
Okay, so I'm gonna dab my face. Now every time I wash my face, I always end up taking a bath because it gets all over my arms, runs down my arms and my shirt and everything. So I always try and wear loose clothing or tank tops and stuff so I don't get everything all wet. Now that I've done the 4-in-1 cleanser, I will use the microdermabrasion. Now, the microdermabrasion you do every 3 days, about twice a week. Now, doing it every 3 days, you don't do it twice that day. You just do it one, either in the morning or at night. So, I'm going to do it tonight. Since I'm going to leave my face a little damp, and then we are going to get some of that. You don't need too much. I just put a little bit in my hand. And then I rub it together. And then I'll just go all around my face. My nose is one of my trouble spots with my chin. So my trouble spots I'll rub a little bit extra on my nose. Go all over. Okay. Get my eyebrows, my nose, everything, my chin. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse my face again. So I'll go back down and come back more for air. So give me 1 second. Gotta catch all this water that's running down my chest. Okay. Get really good. You don't want to scrub too much because you already just scrubbed with the soaps and cleansers. So you just mainly want to dab all the water away. Now that we're done with that, before I get to the lotion and moisturizers, I want to show you guys the satin lips that we have here that Harper took for me. The satin lips comes in a set, or you can get them separate. I got the set because they work amazing together. The satin lip set is a white tea and citrus satin lip set, and the set is $22. It comes with the Shea Sugar Scrub, which is like an exfoliator for your lips, and then it comes with the Shea Butter Balm. So You're gonna wet your lips just a little bit. And I'm just gonna do a little bit on my finger here. And I'm just gonna take it and rub it all over my lips. And I usually do all around the edge of my lips, from the outside and all over. This is gonna exfoliate your lips, make them a little bit plumper, and make it a better canvas for the balm to get the most moisturization from that balm. Harper's in here playing with me. So I'm just gonna rub it all over. And don't be afraid to get in there and really scrub it, because it tastes great, even though you're not supposed to eat it, but it is really good for your lips. And if you wear a lot of lipsticks and everything like that, and you don't like those dry crack lines and it to be uneven, this will definitely help give you a better foundation for all your lipsticks and lip glosses and stuff. So now that I got that all over the place, I'm gonna rinse my mouth. And that's the last time I'm gonna throw water at my face. Now that you can see, my lips are a little red, but there's no more dry stuff all over it, because my lips usually peel a lot and they crack a lot in the winter. So that's good to do in the winter too. But they're a little red, but they're very smooth. So once I get done putting on my moisturizer, I will show you the Satin Lip Balm. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna go to the pore minimizer. I'm just gonna put, I usually do like 3 pumps. I know it's a little bit too much for me personally. And I rub it together. And I just put it all over. This will help give you a good foundation for your makeup, because it will minimize those pores and make them almost seamless, which goes along with using primer. Doing those together give you a nice, smooth, even skin tone and no bumps. It'll close up those pores, so it'll be less dirt in them. You won't get as many blackheads and stuff. So I'll rub all those together. I try and keep away from my eyes with this. I learned the hard way the first time. Stay away from the eyes. You're gonna be rubbing all the time. So after I do that, I'm going to do the under eye cream. I just put a little bit on my finger and I dab around the bottom part of my eye, and I do actually a little bit on my eyelid too, because I got a lot of dark spots there too. And just go all through there. Then do the same thing on the other side. What you doing, Harper love?
Mama.
Yeah? Did you take your shirt off because it's wet?
It's dirty.
It's dirty? Okay.
Like it.
So I got it all over my eyes. And now the last thing I'm doing is the, oh, got a hair on the camera. So the last thing I'm doing for the moisturizer is the night cream.
Yeah, not me.
Just put a little bit.
Ooh.
My hands together and rub it all over. You doing it too, Harper?
No.
You copying mommy? Okay, so put it all over. If you feel you got a little bit too much on, just wipe it off on something and then go back and rub it in. Make sure you get it all nice and rubbed in and soaked in there. Harper's copying me over here.
Mama, you're ready.
Alrighty. So that's it for the Timewise 3D set. And as you can see, my skin looks nice and smooth and even. It's clean after having makeup on all day. And then the last thing I will do is that satin lip balm, the Shea Butter. And it's just a little clear. I use it like chapstick. It smells good. It's good for your lips. So you just fill it on. Okay, and I got it on. I rub it in, and then it'll keep your lips soft for a very long time. And I just carry this around with me, so that way my lips will stay nice and hydrated all day. So that's the end of the routine for the night portion. The only difference between that and the day is you substitute out your night cream for your day cream. And then you won't use the microdermabrasion again until like 3 days from now. And you'll only use it once the day that you choose to. I choose to do it at night because my skin's extra oily, and sometimes if I do a little bit too much for my skin, it gets a little oily. I don't want to go out throughout the day with oily skin. So until I get comfortable more with this, I will do everything at night. It makes my skin feel nice and fresh. Doesn't feel like I just got back from the gym for over an hour. So I'm going to post the link to my website so you can find the Timewise set, as well as the oil-free eye makeup remover and the White Teen Citrus Satin Lip set. I enjoyed you guys watching me today, and if you have any questions, reach out to me. And feel free to ask any questions, comments, your experiences, stuff like that. And I will be posting another video and going live probably Thursday. So I will see you ladies then. Until then, stay beautiful.